What's going on, everybody? Vince Goodrum here. It is Thursday afternoon. I'm just joking. It's actually Sunday. Just doing a couple more videos, and I wanted to go ahead off the bat. Someone had written me yesterday about the current status of, PJ Braun and Aaron Singerman's court case. First off, I haven't really kept up with it. Uh, the reason being is because I don't consider it as very important until the actual court case begins. It seems as though there's been a bunch of continuances and all sorts of this rigmarole. Rob DiMaggio has turned evidence, from what I'm understanding. I'm not sure exactly what he's discussing with the feds or anything like that. That's really none of my business. Uh, if you really want the best information about this whole case, I would recommend contacting Anthony Roberts. Uh, he is probably one of the best investigative reporters in the bodybuilding and fitness industries. If you need something dug up, he'll dig it up for you there. He even dug up John Romano's real name. And that's pretty hard to find, actually. He even dug up his criminal record there. You see, in order to find his criminal record, you got to actually have his real name first. But anyway, I'm getting off subject. As far as what I honestly think about the case itself, I don't want any of these people going to prison or anything like that. I don't want PJ going to prison. I don't want Aaron going to prison. I don't even want Rob DiMaggio going to prison in comparison to everything else that's happening. Now, these guys sold nutritional supplements. They sold supplements that worked. But yet the federal government, in my opinion, they go and prosecute, companies for selling supplements, but yet turn around, they have things legalized like fen, which has caused a number of heart diseases. Bubba Smith, you remember him from Police Academy? He passed away because of fen. It's a very dangerous stuff. It enlarges the heart, causes it to stop. But it was FDA approved. And then, of course, we have our favorite, the hillbilly heroin, oxycodone. It's killed hundreds of thousands of people, legitimately. Overdoses, stuff like that. There's been over prescriptions of these particular products. FDA approved. And we're comparing hundreds of thousands of lives lost because of oxycodone compared to Blackstone Labs and in terms of their products causing what? Possibly one or two types of adverse effects. There's not anyone that's actually died from using Blackstone Labs products here. But yet they get their offices raided, they get prosecuted, persecuted, and stuff like that. And, they've not killed anyone. Much like oxycodone. That's killed a lot of people over the years. And it isn't just getting killed there, basically. When you have an addiction such as oxycodone, that actually leads to people doing anything in order to get it. They'll suck a dick. They'll steal from your mama, your daddy. They'll steal from their own mama and their daddy. They'll break into houses. They'll do anything. They'll even end up selling the drugs there too, on top of that. Until finally, when they've lost all their friends, when their parents no longer help them out and they wash their hands clean, that's pretty much it. And that's almost worse than death. In fact, for some of these individuals, probably death would probably be a good outcome for these poor fellows. And I hate to say that, but, it's basically true. So, I mean, I hope I'm making myself very clear on this here. You know, as far as these court cases are concerned, I think that, these guys are getting a very raw deal. And hopefully this situation works out because I don't think it's really fair to prosecute Aaron or PJ or Rob, and all these other drug companies are getting away with murder. And I do mean murder. I mean, just think about it a bit. A couple of adverse effects from Blackstone Lab products, no deaths whatsoever, compared to hundreds of thousands of lives lost due to oxycodone and fen-phen, drug addictions, criminal activity. That's all I got to really say about this. I mean, it's kind of irritating, but, that's the way the world works. You guys, take care.